January 23rd. I was trying to dig out to start the fire at the meeting, but the street was just too deep. I could feel myself bottoming out. So I just pulled back in, and Patrick's gonna come and take me. So we're on Route 29, and I guess this is looking through the camera.
Parkway by Cerner,
yeah, probably can't, like, the video probably won't even be able to tell the depth of the snow. It's probably like with the snow blindness. But how much snow do you think has fallen so far? 8 inches, 9 inches?
Yeah, I'd say so. But with the wind, we're getting drifts. So some places it's like gotten up over a foot. Very heavy landscape. Some winds drifting the snow and piling up on the road a little bit.
So when we came down, you came down Cottonwood Drive to pick me up. It was plowed. I was awake when they plowed it at like 1:30 a.m. The snow started at 7 p.m. But it looked like it wasn't even plowed, didn't it? I mean, it looked like, or felt like 7 inches or so.
Yeah, I'd say it was at least half a foot. It didn't look like it got in time.
Yeah.
And then when we came back around the block, we were on the way out. The tracks that I had made on the way in were already getting filled back in.
It's changing over to sleet a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's overfilling.
Yeah. I think the forecast was for a portion of this morning or today, it'll change over a little bit to sleet, freezing rain type of stuff.
I see. That makes it even more hairy. The snow's a lot easier to drive in than sleet. Just slow down. Not get too much speed.
It's pretty narrow. So one time coming back from the meeting, it was, I don't know, maybe 3-4 inches of snow on the ground. I was in my 2000 Maxima, so coming from the other direction, I accelerated because I, was coming up this hill.
Yeah.
And like almost all the way up to the top of the hill was like this Mercedes that was stuck. Right? So I figured, well, I'm going to go for it, because by the time I noticed it, I was like already down pretty low. And I was committed, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't want to be at the bottom of both hills.
Yeah.
So I just went for it. But I was afraid, and I was hoping, well, the guy will work their way up over the hump by the time I get there, which didn't happen. Anyway, I had to turn around and come back. Because I was afraid to get in the left-hand lane. Because, coming up over the hill, and I just, I was like, so I threw it in reverse, and I was like, well, do I go in reverse all the way down, and then how am I going to get back up, or do I? So I did like a U-turn right where I was at. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Near the top of the hill. This is like a drift area up along here.
Yeah, there's been a while it's been clear since I came here.
Pretty good. So that's what I was hoping for this morning. Like this, if I drive patiently, I could have done that. But not when my car isn't clearing the snow. I wouldn't even get out of my neighborhood.
Yeah, not near failure.
No, I was just very happy that I didn't have to dig myself back into the driveway. All right, it's 8:15. It looks like Mikey dug himself in pretty good. Got in there, he's got the fire going. Oh, I wouldn't have done that. So we got about how much snow we have? Like 10 inches, 12 inches? What do you think?
More than that. Yeah.
More than that? And we just got done our meeting. Here we are at the meeting house, Schuylkill Friends Meeting House. We did shovel a little path for the children to get to the school and to the wood pile, but it's filling up pretty quickly. Nice day for a meeting. Mikey got here at around 6:45 a.m. It's about 10:15 now. Victor got here around 8:30. Patrick picked me up around 7:35. We got here around 8, I guess. Bobby got here. He went and picked up Josh, and he got here around, I don't know when he got here. Maybe 8:30, 8:45. We might want to. Looks like they looks like they plowed the street since we came. State of emergency. Oh, I'm thinking. Oops. Bobby, what time did you get here? Around 8:45?
Closer to 9.
Closer to 9?
Yep. How you doing, Cor? I love you, man.
It looks like was the street plowed when you got here? Looks like
This one,
yeah.
kind of.
It's done nicely now.
What's that?
They plowed it. Must have done it recently. What's that?
Everybody got a ride out of here? Yeah, pretty high lift. All right, I'll talk to you soon, my brother.
Take care. Stop by sometime. Yeah, I'm gonna videotape. I'm leaving.
All right, man. I'll see you.
See you.
Bye.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, he cleared out half of the path, half of the berm. There we go. Just go straight. There's a big mound over here on your right. Keeps digging me back into the fucking previous tracks. go, Mikey. He had a straight run. He had it easy.
How going?
Good meeting.